Subscribe to our channel to see all of our exciting DIY projects. Share what you make with the hashtag MakeItWithMichaels.